Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this 16-inch by 16-inch canvas and I am going to do a big flower bloom on this canvas. I have done bunch of big flowers before, but all of those were done with strictly bloom recipe, and the base coat was house paint. So what I'm thinking today, that I'm going to do a flower where my base coat is going to be regular acrylic paint. I'm making it the consistency that you can see, it's pretty thick because I want to mimic the thickness of the house paint, but it is actually acrylic paint. Before doing this one, I also tried another canvas and it turned out really pretty, and so it dried also nice and without any cracks. So I am leaning towards the acrylic base coats, because I think that it will help me to have no or least amount of cracks as it dries. In my mind, I think I'm going to go with the corners first for the flowers. So I'm going to make four flowers in the four corners. Then I'm going to do a center one. So one bad thing is this thing doesn't give cooler here, so I have to change my. So the next blower that I took, it does do cool blow. So let's see how it gives me everything. So I can see that this sides has dried. I have to make sure that, and I also don't like this area. Okay, I will let it dry, and as you can see, so let me show you some things, and I want to see how it dries because that's important next time, how I mix my paint, what's the thickness, consistency, all these things. So this is from close up. See here, my paint is very thick, so it's a thing to notice that how well it dries, if it cracks or not. And then you can see flower shape kind of got distorted, so these are the things I will make sure that I pay attention to next time. Okay, so this is what I have. I'll let it dry. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you liked this video. So next time I'm going to make another one of these. Hopefully you will like it. Until next time, bye.